Whether you're a broadcaster, content creator, or presenter, having a good teleprompter system can be a huge help with presenting a script to an audience. Teleprompters, aka prompters or autocues, are great when there's a lot of information to share, or when you're on a short deadline, thus making it harder to memorize every specific point of a script. The teleprompter will show the script to the speaker over time so you know what you need to say and stay on track. Now, what if you don't have the money, time, or manpower to have a professional teleprompter system? Welcome to MindMineTV. I'm Evin, and this is where PromptSmart Pro can come in. Easy, affordable, and mobile teleprompting for iOS and Android. This system helps streamline the video production and presentation process. And here are the core features that helps it do all of this. When we open up the app, the first section we come to is the Scripts section. This is where we can go through our current list of scripts, edit or delete them, and add new scripts. When it comes to new scripts, you can either create a new script directly in the app or upload them. You can either do a single script upload or bulk upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, or iCloud. PromptSmart Pro accepts docx, PDF, RTF, TXT, and GDoc files. There's also a note card section that's very similar to the script section. The same creation, editing, and uploading features exist here. The difference is that note cards are meant to give you points to follow during a presentation rather than a full script. You'll notice that after the note card section is video and then audio. When you're using the teleprompter feature of this app, you'll also be able to use your device's front or rear-facing camera as well as microphone to record your presentation. You could then use this audio and video as the core source for any content you're looking to create, or just use it to review how things are sounding and looking. Now let's get into the main feature, the teleprompter with VoiceTrack system. Traditionally with teleprompter systems, you had one person reading the teleprompter while another controlled the speed at which the reader saw the text. With PromptSmart, you can establish all the settings that work best for you prior to when you present. Then the VoiceTrack system will capture what you're saying and adjust when you see specific parts of the script accordingly. It'll have the prompting follow right along with what you're saying, or it'll pause if you go off script and wait until you're ready to go back on to the spot you left off at. It's important to note that for VoiceTrack to work, you'll need to make sure your device has a properly working internal microphone or that you attach a wired microphone to it. Now within the settings, you can preset scroll speed, change the side margin positions, turn on and off video recording, turn on and off a timer, choose whether you want a single line of script highlighted or multiple lines among several other features. All of these options allow you to either add additional features that can help enhance the production experience or help adjust the visual display so the presenter can easily make out what's being shown. Now, one of the most important settings for me, besides the VoiceTrack system, would be the mirror settings. I use a beam-splitting teleprompter rig. This makes it so the screen of my tablet reflects onto a mirror that's in front of my DSLR camera. With this setup, I can read a script while looking right into the camera, but without the reflection of the script from the tablet appearing on the video. PromptSmart Pro can be used on iOS but requires an iPhone or iPad with iOS 11 or later. The cost is $19.99. Now, some features are locked behind a subscription. The subscription is PromptSmart Extended, and it's for $19.99 a year or $1.99 a month. PromptSmart Pro is also used on Android with a minimal OS of KitKat 4.4. It's a yearly subscription of $29.99 or $2.99 a month. Now, it is important to note that for the VoiceTrack feature in PromptSmart Pro, it is for English language only. If you are a Spanish speaker, you can also get the PromptSmart ESP or Español on the iOS App Store. Thus far, this app has been our favorite for teleprompting. The responsiveness when clicking on buttons can be a little finicky, but the amount of settings and options available to us, as well as the VoiceTrack system, completely outweighs any minor negatives. I can see this being a great tool for educators, speakers, and content creators. I think the two biggest hurdles for prospective users are the English-only requirement for those that don't speak English fluently or at all, and the subscription model being implemented. Overall, though, I would say this is well worth it if you're looking to present or create content several times throughout the year and you feel a teleprompter would help with your process. Thanks for joining me today as I went through the PromptSmart Pro Teleprompter app. If you've liked what you've seen, make sure to subscribe and click the notification icon to be updated whenever a new episode gets released here at MindMineTV.